In this quick review, I'll take a look at the Festool Angle Stop. The promise of this tool is to make it dead simple to cut 90-degree angles with the Festool plunge saw. The product seems to only be available in Europe. TSO Products was the first to offer a guide rail square, so I'm guessing they hold a patent in the US. Anyhow, let's take a look. So the way this works is very simple, straightforward. So you have the angle stop like this, and then you have your track like this, and you just slide it on wherever you want it. So it's, and then clamp it down, and then you have a perfect 90-degree angle here. Sliding this over to where I want to cut, and then just make the cut. So, is it square? I guess so. Yeah, it's dead on. So very, very simple, extremely convenient. So there's only one thing that I have to say that is not that good, and that's the price. But I guess this is solid aluminum. I guess it costs a lot to manufacture and probably a lot to ship as well. And then of course it's Festool, which is never underpriced. So apart from being a little bit expensive, this is like super convenient and very easy to use.